Boveda Company. Boveda Inc., formerly known as Humidipak Inc., is a manufacturing company based in Minnetonka. It specializes in humidity control for a multitude of industries and applications. It was founded on July 1, 1997. The company's technologies are used by cigar companies for shipping and distributing cigars, cigar connoisseurs for storing and aging fine cigars, art museums, and collectors for conserving fine art, food manufacturers for extending shelf life and improving the flavor delivered to consumers, musical instrument manufacturers, and musicians for maintaining instrument history. The technology behind Humidipak was co-engineered by formulations chemist Albert Sari and by Robert S., a packaging expert, in 1996. Sari and S. both came from General Mills Corporation. The company was then founded on July 1, 1997. The company owns patents related to two-way humidity control for packaging, including multi-purpose humidipaks that manage moisture, absorb oxygen, and control mold. In 2008, Rocky Patel Premium Cigars started to manufacture a custom, printed Humidipak humidity control packet in order to make the cigars properly humidified. Between 2010 and 2014, Ashton Distributors Inc. Boveda now self-distributes. Humidipak Inc. was rebranded as Boveda Inc. in the International Premium Cigar and Pipe Retailers Association IPR 2012 convention. Marketing and distribution. Numerous companies use the Boveda technology in their product packaging to maintain relative humidity throughout the supply chain. As of 2015, Boveda self-distributes their products for the cigar market in the United States. Internationally, Boveda has numerous distributors in Canada, South America, Southeast Asia and East Asia, Europe and South Africa. D'Addario distributes Boveda's line of Humidipak humidity control products for the music industry. Market applications. The initial market application for Humidipak was engineered for cigars. As of 2014, Boveda is carried in over 2,500 stores globally. Because two-way humidity control is engineered to maintain a very specific, predetermined level of relative humidity +/2% RH, the technology is being used to solve moisture-related packaging problems for many different industries and applications. Some of these new applications are herbal medicine and medical cannabis, wooden instruments, pet food, and electronic. Boveda products are available in many relative humidity RH levels ranging from 32% to 83% RH. Awards.